Hey there everybody, this is Ryan with Disconnected, and once again we are back to take a close look at a Vinegar Syndrome item that came in the halfway to Black Friday sale that just happened recently. We're going to be taking a close look at the Sex World Viewmaster reel. I understand that many people have not put a lot of time into reviewing the Viewmaster reel, so I wanted to make this something that people could take a closer look at to see what they would be getting for their money's worth. This is something that is hard to visualize, obviously, so there are some quality questions on these pictures. The 3D effect is not present, but let's get into what you see when you pop this in. Okay, that was the Viewmaster reel for Sex World from Vinegar Syndrome. If you have any questions or would like to see perhaps the Silent Madness reel that they released last fall, please let me know. Otherwise, that's it for today. From one collector to all of you, this is The Disconnected. Have a good night.